Hi guys, it's Jo Fox again from Invest Leeds. Today I'm in Leeds 8, Leeds 9, which is Hare Hills, just about a mile east of the city. You can see behind me there's quite a lot of terraced back-to-back housing, mostly all single lets, and you can buy one of these for say £70,000. You'll get 525 rent, which is around what the lady will be paying for the viewing that I've just done. What I really like about this area is at the end of all the terraced houses is this very large building behind me. I'm stood in the middle of it, and it goes basically the full length of about maybe 20 streets. The building is Burton Menswear, most of you will be familiar with. It's one of the UK's largest retailers. This building behind me, the one I'm touching, this was the headquarters and where the company was founded. It's got a blue plaque on the wall, you can see there. That tells you Montague Burton, the tailor of taste, made good quality, made-to-measure suits in return for a week's wages, and then he took it to mass market. This was his headquarters, and at the time this was the largest clothing factory in the world, employing nearly 11,000 people. It's not the factory anymore. Burton has historically been in Leeds. Now today, these days, it's kind of used for offices, and you know, there's like Learn Direct and little individual kind of and local businesses based in here. There's still parking restrictions because of this factory. You need basically a permit to park. I've been really naughty because I've not got one, and I'm parking here anyway, but obviously it gets quite busy during week. There's also St James's Hospital just at the end of this road, which used to be the largest teaching hospital in Europe. I'm not sure if it still is, but it's still one hell of a big hospital with, you know, whole departments and very specialist kind of surgeons that are based there. So overall it's a great rental area, a great area for buy-to-let. We are in Article 4 unfortunately, but there are quite a lot of HMO properties that are licensed. You also might find some kind of dodgy ones that aren't licensed around here, which I am working on sourcing and making them legal for you lot to buy. So thanks for watching, and speak soon.